Namaste student, Khush raho betiya. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth in Management Department, University Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the sales and marketing business organization. In this subject, our topic is forms of government. So let's start about forms of government. When it comes to type to government, it's anything but simple. Government are ever evolving, which means national governments are composed of several types. To help simplify, explore example of different types of government found around the globe. And basic type of government. When it comes to type of government, five specific types come to the forefront. Most forms of government are some variation of one of these. Authoritarian. In an authoritarian regime, the government has total control. Authoritarian regime have typically earned this control by forceful means. While this seems pretty cut and dried, it is anything but. Authoritarian regimes are not always easy to recognize. They might still hold elections and have branches of government, but only a small group holds the power, not the people. A good worldly example of an authoritarian government is Cuba. Democracy. Another way government type of is democracy, which is an example of a limited government. In direct contrast to an authoritarian government, a democracy exists when the people hold the power. Different type of democracy include direct and representative. If you have ever wondered about the United States government type, democracy is your answer. But they are not the only example of democracy in the world. Canada, Sweden, and Colombia are a few other countries. Next, in monarchy. A monarchy is not as common as a democracy, but you still hear about them. In a monarchy, one family rules the roost, so to speak, and their title is passed down through the generation. However, much like a democracy, who is in change is not totally cut and dried. In a absolutely monarchy, the king or ruler is in control of all the government. The more common constitutional monarchy has a royal family, but they serve mostly as ceremonial figures. An example, think of the United Kingdom and Queen Elizabeth. She is the queen, but the parliament has most government control. Oligarchy. Simply to a monarchy, an oligarchy places power in a few people. However, titles are not passed down through the family or even from one person. Instead, it could be a group of people such a country's wealth. The power might be passed down from one family to another, but it has nothing to do with bloodiness. Examples through history include China and Soviet Union. And totalitarianism. When you think totalitarian government, it takes absolute power to the extreme. These leaders cannot only the government but the personal lives of their people. Citizens have no say in government, and the totalitarianism is 100% in charge. This type of government is forceful and extreme. Remember Hitler and Nazi Germany, that was totalitarianism at play. Types of government found around the world. While the top 5 might be the type of government you hear the most about, that list is far complete. Rather, you will find several different type of government that exist. Some of these types of fall into a larger category, while others are completely unique. Check out other types of government seen around the world and through history. Anarchy is not type of government. It is actually the absence of one. It in an anarchist society, a central governing body does not exist. Many times anarchy will take center stage when a government collapses. A few historical examples include Albania in 1997 and Germany after the First World War. Aristocracy. To remember aristocracy thing, aristocrat. In an aristocracy, the wealthy or noble hold the power. These privileged few leaders make up the ruling class or elite. Historical ancient Greece had a aristocratic government. A modern example is the royal family in the UK and to some aspect the Canada in the United States. Dictatorship Typically, dictatorship goes hand in hand with an authoritarian and totalitarian government. In this government forms a dictator rules and that they typical asserts their authority using military power, which is called a military dictatorship. There have been many dictatorships through history. Famous examples include Joseph Stalin rules of the Soviet Union and Saddam Hussein rule of Iraq. North Korea falls into this list as well. Next, federalism is all about dividing power. Not only does the government help with central power, but local states or regions also have their own specific power. For example, in the US, the federal government is the central power, but the individual state all have their own regional and state governing laws. This means state laws might be different in California that they are in Tennessee. Republicanism, many times you see republic of this or republic of that. When something is a true republic as an republican, it means the citizens have the power. They have the voting power and the power to make change in their government. Now, Republican can get quite confusing because it typically goes hand in hand with feudal and theocracy. Example include France and India. Theocracy types of government are about who rules. In a theocracy, the rule is God or a deity. The creation of law comes from religious texts, scripture, and spiritual leaders. A theocracy also mixed with other type of government. For example, Iran is an Islamic democracy and the Baltasian government is dedicated by the Christian religion and Pope. Tribalism, indigenous tribes around the globe use a form of government called tribalism. In this form of government, you follow the dictates and rules of your tribe, which is made of specific people group or those with the same ideal. There can be a council of elders making decisions, but not always. Each tribes make up a unique. While tribalism is becoming less and less common, tribes in America still use this form of government. Economic driven type of government, first being capitalism, communism, and socialism, a different type of government. In this session, important question asked in the examination, define different types of government, forms of government. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.